Once upon a time, in a dense forest, lived a tiny, bright-eyed chaffinch named Charlie. Charlie was known for his vibrant feathers and melodious song. However, he was always envious of the great hornbill who lived in the same forest. The hornbill was large, majestic, and commanded respect from all the other birds. One day, Charlie approached the great hornbill. "Why do you always look so content and at peace?" he asked. The hornbill, with a gentle smile, replied, "My dear Chaffinch, it's because I choose to be happy, no matter the circumstances." Days turned into weeks, and weeks into months. Charlie continued to admire the hornbill, wishing he too could be as content. One day, a fierce storm hit the forest, causing destruction everywhere. The chaffinch's tiny nest was shattered, and he felt a sense of despair. Meanwhile, the great hornbill's large nest, high up in a sturdy tree, remained unscathed. Charlie, who had previously envied the hornbill, now realized the benefits of his choice. The hornbill's contentment was not merely a facade, it was a conscious decision to find joy in every situation. Feeling remorseful, Charlie sought the hornbill's advice. "I wish I had your wisdom. How can I learn to be content like you?" The hornbill replied, "Charlie, contentment is not something you find outside, but something you carry within. It's a choice you make every day." From that day forward, Charlie made a conscious effort to find joy in the little things. He learned that happiness is not dependent on the circumstances, but on the attitude we choose to adopt. And so, the chaffinch's wise choice led him to a life filled with contentment and peace. Moral * contentment comes from within. Choose to find joy in every situation.